Hello everyone, let's learn how to delete messages on Messenger app. If you've sent messages you might regret, or if you just want to clean up your older chat history, and you want to delete that message but you don't know how, in this tutorial you will learn how to do that. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Messenger app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. I will show you on this first chat, and I want to delete some messages of that chat, so to do that go on chat you want. You can see I already have some messages with this person, and first I want to delete one message. If you want to delete message or video, the process is the same. So go long press on message or video. When you do that, that will open a side menu with this 4 options: reply, save video, pin and more, and you need to click on more. That will send you on this menu with this 3 option, and you need to click on last one, remove. Now you have this 2 option. First one is unsend message. When you click first option, message will be deleted on both sides, and person you send that message can no longer see it. Second option is remove for you. When you click on that option, message will be deleted only for you, and person you send message can see that message. So we will go on first option by tapping on it. And if you want to delete whole chat, go long press on chat you want to delete. Then click on delete option, and next confirm you want to delete, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.